Buying 100 shares of stock is actually the riskiest way to go long a company, and I can prove you're overpaying by 80%. Let's look at the math immediately. To buy 100 shares of a $200 tech stock, you need $20,000 cash up front. But a deep-in-the-money LEAP option expiring in 2 years? That might only cost you $4,000. You control the same assets, but keep $16,000 in your pocket. Because you bought deep in the money, with a delta of 0.80 or higher, for every dollar the stock moves up, your option captures the majority of that gain. But here is the trap that destroys beginners. Unlike stock, options have an expiration date. If the stock stays flat for 2 years, shares lose nothing, but your option creates a guaranteed loss due to time decay. To beat this, you must minimize extrinsic value. You aren't just picking any option, you are looking for specific delta zones. The deeper in the money you go, the less time premium you pay, making the option behave almost exactly like stock. Here is the massive payoff on that risk. If the stock rises 20%, the shareholder makes 20%. But because you only used a fraction of the capital, your return on investment is typically over 80%. This is how small accounts compound into large ones. Stop renting your upside, start leveraging it wisely.